Hi children, welcome back to your maths class, and this is the last chapter, fractions and decimals. Take your part 1 math part 1 book, in that in chapter 9, fractions and decimals. Know the meaning of fraction. In this chapter we are going to read identify numerator and denominator, find the equivalent fractions. Okay, see, you have learned the meaning of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. See, I can show you this picture. See, if we fold it into two parts, I have folded it into two parts. So, we call it as one picture we have folded in two parts, that is 1 by 2. When I again make partition of 4, that is called 1 by 4. If again we'll make more partition, it is depend on how many parts we are going to make in this. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is called 1 by 4. Okay. Next, here observe the following. See, as I told you, see, this is a circle as they have shown, half. See, this part is colored. This is 1 by 2. If when again we fold in this way, only this part is colored, that is called 1 by 4. Only one part is colored is called 1 by 4. See, only this. Okay, 1 by 4. Here, see, we have 4 parts, but only 3 are colored. So it is called 3 by 4. We represent it as a 3 by 4. Identify the fractions represented by the figures on the left hand side and write in the space provided. See here, 2 parts, 2 has to be written in down, and which is colored should be written up. Now see, you identify in this circle 1, 2, 3. See, 3. Okay, 3, 1 by 3, because 1 is colored, 3 we can tell 1 by 3. Next, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 3 by 4. We have to write 3 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1 is cut. 1 by 4. Okay. Now here the same way, identify the pictures that represent the following fraction by ticking. See, it is given 1 by 2. Okay, we have 2 and it is 2 partition. One box, 2 partitions. Here is correct. 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4, 3. Here, see, only 1 and here it is. This is a correct fraction. 1 by 3, see, here 2, or here 4. Only here is 3 we have and 1 is this marked. 2 by 3. See here, we have 3 this circles. In that 2 are colored. That is this one. So 2 by 3. Now coming to the next part, complete the followings. Color, you have to take the colors. Color for 1 by 4. You have to color only one bird, children. Take the crayons and color. We have 4 birds. You have to color only one. In the same way, we have 2 fishes. You have to color only one fish. This you do it by yourself, children. I'll just square and you have to color those many. This, see, you have to color 3 strawberries. These 3. Because we have 4 strawberries. Color with red, children. This one. The strawberries will be red, no? 1, 2, 3. We have total 4. 3 has to be colored. Color 2 by 4. See, we have 3 teddy bears. You have to color only 2 teddy bears. Okay? Now, encircle the fraction that represents the given picture. See, count, children, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 1 has been. So 1 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3. See, 3. 1 is given stripes. So by 3. In the same way, shade the next pictures to represent the fraction 1 by 3. See, here 3 are there. Just you have to shade one part in the putting at this line. See, here also I'll shade this part. Any part, you can choose any one part and shade to represent 1 by 3. Okay, coming to the fraction, you have already learned fold a piece of paper into 4 equal parts. See, a piece of paper folding. Here we have, see, this is a piece of paper, rectangle piece, 4 parts. A sheet of a paper folded into 4 parts, shade 1/4. It means we have to shade this. Here we have to shade only 1/4 part. This part has been shaded. Okay. Now next, the fraction represented by the shade portion in the figure is written as 1 and it is read as 1/4 actually. 1 by 4. Okay, what does 4 indicate? 4 represents total equal parts in the sheet. What does 1 represent? It represents the shaded part. As you know, the fraction here is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 4 is called denominator and 1 is called numerator. See, children, this part is called numerator and down part is called denominator. In any fraction, what does the numerator and denominator represents? Numerator represents number of equal parts selected. What part is selected and shaded? The total number of parts. What the denominator represents? How many parts have been made from a figure? That is the total number of equal parts into which a whole object is divided. This is very important, children. Mark it as a star. You have to keep it in the mind, this part. always it is very useful to you. Okay.